We all know artificial intelligence can analyze numbers. But what if your AI could write SQL code for you, clean your messy Excel sheets, and even build dashboards just by you asking it nicely? This is generative AI. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what Gen AI is and show you 4 practical ways to use it in data analytics today. Let's dive in. Let's begin by exploring the fundamental definition of generative AI. First, the basics. Traditional AI is like a calculator on steroids. It analyzes data to find patterns. Generative AI is different. It creates new content. Think of it like hiring a junior data analyst. It doesn't just look at the data. It can write code, explain charts, and create summaries in plain English. Now, let's delve into the top 4 practical applications of generative AI in data analytics. So, how do we use this junior analyst in real work? Here are the top 4 use cases. Number 1 is conversational analytics. You stop memorizing complex menu clicks. Instead, you just chat with your data. You upload a file and ask which region had the highest profit, and the AI scans the file and gives you the answer instantly. Number 2 is automating code. This is a game changer. If you struggle with SQL queries or Python syntax, you just ask the AI. Write a SQL query to join customer and order tables. It writes the code for you, and you just copy-paste it. Number 3 is data cleaning. Cleaning data is boring and takes time. You can feed messy data, like phone numbers in different formats, into generative AI and ask it to standardize them. It fixes the errors in seconds. Number 4 is synthetic data. Need to practice analytics but don't have a data set? Or maybe you can't use real customer data due to privacy. You can ask Gen AI to create a fake data set of 1,000 retail transactions, and it builds a safe data set for you to practice on. Finally, let's look at some accessible tools to help you get started with generative AI. You don't need expensive software to start. You can use tools like ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis, Microsoft Copilot in Excel, or Gemini. These tools are integrating Gen AI directly into the workflows we use every day. Generative AI isn't replacing analysts. It's removing the boring parts of the job so you can focus on the insights. If you are a student or a professional, start learning prompt engineering today. It is the new skill for data analytics. If you want to learn more about these tools, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech training. See you next time.